My name is Crystal, and this is my daughter,
Daiza.
and today we are doing. I got a pie. It's kind of hot, and she have today peaches. That's how she wanted to eat. And we just gonna talk about how our relationship is her being my daughter and me being a mom. So I guess I will start off. Daiza is my only girl. I have 5 children. I have 4 boys and 1 girl. So it's kind of tough on her when she being the only girl, and we have to try to find something to do together, like YouTube. So, Daiza, how do you feel about our relationship?
I feel good about our relationship. Because we got the same attitude. Because I get with my mama. So I think it's pretty good. Yeah.
So when she say attitude, y'all, I don't have an attitude. She is a boss. Anybody out there that have a daughter and the only girl and with 4 boys in the house. So she kind of tomboyish and she kind of bossy. And she get an attitude when nothing don't go her way.
I got my attitude from her. From my mom, I got my attitude from my mom. My attitude came from my mom.
You know what? So, if y'all hear a lot of background, that's my other kids. My relationship with my daughter is very good. I like for her to tell me any and everything. I like for her to tell me how she feel about stuff. All my kids, not just my daughter, but all my kids, I have an open communication with them. Meaning, if we can sit down and we can talk about it, and we can go back and forth, not being disrespectful or nothing like that. My daughter is very respectful to certain people. She respects me, and she respects her father. Anybody else have to be around her enough to get there to gain her respect. Some kids just outright disrespectful. My kids are not. My daughter are not. But when she feel like that she right or somebody trying to do her wrong or say something wrong to her, then that's when she start getting disrespectful with an adult. And I always taught my child or my children to be respectful for all adults. No matter what they do or what they say, they can be wrong, but it's not your place to talk back or catch an attitude. Now, leave your comments down below if you have similar problems or dealing with the same thing. Because, I know y'all see the balloons in the background. My youngest just had his birthday on the 13th before all this snow. But anyway, so, Daiza, anything you want to say?
No.
So, Daiza is like in the middle of 2 boys that's older than her and 2 other boys that's younger than her. And so, she feel like she everybody's mama. Anybody got a 12-year-old like that? See, at first,
I do not feel like that.
for example, she have hormones, and The boys have their own room. They have their own game. The boys have their own game. But sometimes they come in Daiza's room to play. Like now. So she wanted to kick them out her room right now, y'all.
No.
Right now.
Wait.
She came in here.
No, wait. No, the reason
No.
wait. No.
She came in here and she said, I want to kick them out my room because they keep getting in front of me.
I'm playing my game. I play my game. They playing in the room. I keep telling them, get away from the TV. I'm playing my game. I died 15 times. Because I keep telling them, get away from the TV. I'm playing my game. They can't get away from the TV. I said, y'all finna get kicked out my room. Because I told y'all to get away from the TV. I'm trying to play my game.
Oh, I got Mr. Water. But this is the example. This the TV, right? And this down, right? So, this TV all over here.
The TV.
And this down. Over here now, y'all, it's not in the frame, but my point is, they do not be in her way.
Cap.
So,
Cap.
they literally do not be in her way. And she will get attitude. Like she getting that.
I don't got no attitude.
Cap.
No, wait. This the TV. No, this the TV. And my bed, like, it's right here. And it's a lot of space over there for them to play. It's like right here. These playing basketball in my room. So they gonna easily get in front of my TV. Like they I'm trying to play the game. I'm more focused. And all you'll see, I'm responding to the same spot every time they get in my way. I can't pause the game because every time.
My thing is, they think she the boss.
I don't think I'm a boss.
Everybody.
I don't think I'm a boss.
Then, anybody please tell me if they have a daughter, they have 15 different personalities.
I don't got 15 different
In one moment, your daughter is all under you and she loves you. And y'all the bestest friends. Please leave in the comments.
Let me cut through this.
Cut through nothing. Please let me know in the comments if y'all have a daughter that's good, kind, respectful, love you, be all over you. In one moment, the next second, it's like the devil in my house, y'all. And she do everybody.
No, wait, I don't do every. I don't do
everybody like
that. No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Remember, she have 4 brothers. This not adding other brothers, because I have my nephews too. So another example. Daiza, she will argue with somebody. They can have this cool conversation. They be there chopping it up, right? Soon they say something wrong.
That's
she
a
be
story.
ready to fight her
That's a
own
story.
brothers, y'all.
That,
Trust. She be ready to fight me. And she be so mad her face turn red.
no. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. I'm white skin.
So, yeah. Trust and believe. Me and my daughter relationship is A-okay. She has her problems, but see how she's looking at me like I don't see her. Do you see that all the time?
So about this, I'm under her at first, and I be mad at her. She like to come home with an attitude. From work, I be trying to give her a hug. She wanna hug everybody else and leave me out the group, and then she wanna catch an attitude. I be trying to talk to her. I be wanting her to do my hair and stuff like that. Like she always do back in those days. She used to always do my hair. Now she too bougie to be doing it now.
I'm gonna tell y'all something. Back in the day, she was a baby, right?
No, wait. I'm not talking about that back in the day.
Back in the day. Stop.
Back in the
You
day.
said what you had to say. I'm responding. Back in the day, she was a baby, so I can do whatever whatever I want to do to her hair, and it would stay. But now, she wants styles her way, right? I took 3 hours on the sew-in, y'all.
3 hours.
Shh. I took 3 hours on the sew-in, okay? 3. And she took it down and somebody else did another sew-in for her.
No, I didn't take it down. I don't even know how to take a sew-in down. She, the girl that took my sew-in down, she decided to let me talk.
Anytime
She decided to do it for my birthday.
Anytime that I do Daiza hair, Daiza do not keep it up. So why would I want to do her hair if she don't keep it up?
I do keep my hair
And
up.
then when somebody else do her hair, she 3-4 months taking it down. But if I do her hair, it's next week, 2-3 days taking it down.
No, it's not. See, so that's basically why you want to do my hair.
So
I got something to say.
Okay,
I got something to say. So we was sitting on the couch.
Mm-hmm.
Me and my dad was right there. She gonna talk about some days. Can you put some individuals in my head? And I said, yeah. And then who am I gonna do? She'll talk some no.
Daiza do not like to do my hair, y'all.
That's not true.
I asked Daiza to grease my scalp, and Daiza do not grease my scalp. Daiza tell me now.
No, that's not true. My days, I be greasing your scalp.
Look, y'all. Look. Y'all see it coming out.
What's coming out?
Anyways, y'all, thank you for joining us on this YouTube channel. We'll be up. Please leave your name and your comments down below. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Deuces.